What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. So you might be wondering if someone is stalking your Instagram and you want to find out if they are really stalking you. Well, in this case, there is one thing that you could actually do here. So first things first is you want to go and open up Instagram here. And you want to go to your profile, the bottom right here. And you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top right. Now from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the option here for professionals and click on account type and tools. Now in here, you want to go and click on switch to professional account, click on next. And from here, you just need to fill out the information needed. So let's just say I'm a vlogger. Let's go and click on switch to professional account. And from here, you want to go and choose creator and click on next. And from here, you can go and click on not now. But yeah, so once you get in here, just close the window. So at the top left, go ahead and click on the X button and just click on new here on your highlight. So you want to go and add a highlight here. And let's go and choose one. So for example, I have this one. Let's go and click on it, click on next, and just add your highlight name. Let's go and click on done. But what's important here is whenever we access our highlight here, as you can see, you could actually scroll up or swipe up here. And as you can see, it's going to go to the person icon you see here. But we also have insights here, which gives you like detailed information how your story actually performed. And also you have this person icon, which in this case allows you to see the people who actually viewed your, in this case, your story or your highlight here, which in this case you'll know that someone is really stalking you if they viewed your highlight here, because usually people don't view your highlights in the section here. It's more of like people that revisits your profile, so that's why they may have visited one of your highlights here. So yeah, so those are one of ways for you to know if someone is actually stalking you. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.